Hi guys, we are the Practical Creators. On the basis of this channel, we are doing Arduino programming and electronics processing. Let's see what's today's topic.
Today's project is based on how to make a solar phone charger. So first you have to take a 5 volt solar charger and USB socket and a charging module and 4-bit wires, and last you also need a phone charging cable. So first you have to take the solar panel and you have to find out the positive and the negative terminal, and you have to solder the positive terminal to the positive wire and negative terminal to the negative wire. In this project we are not using any battery, so this is a direct project. So after soldering the two wires, we have to connect the left two wires to the charging module. You can see the two terminals, and we have to solder the wire to the two terminals on the charging module. So now I have soldered the terminal, and we have to solder the next terminal. And now the circuit looks like this. And now we have to take the USB female socket and we have to solder the positive and the negative wires to the charging module, and then we have to connect it to the USB female socket. So now I have soldered the wires to the charging module, and now I have to complete by connecting it to the female socket. So the full circuit is completed, and now we have to connect a charging cable to the USB female socket, and now we are going to test it. So I kept my solar panel in the sun, and now I kept my mobile in, and now I'm going to plug the cable into my phone, and now you can see that it's charging.
Guys, please do support my partner channel, Tamil Electro. Like,
Share,
subscribe
comment,
to
practical.
Creators. Thanks for watching this video.